Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Maharashtra. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of language options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person or applied through email or applied through SMS. For applying in person, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office. They have to obtain the application form from the office and it has to be filled up with all the necessary information. The applicant must carry both photocopy and original of the document mentioned under the required document section of this page. Document needed for this procedure is Aadhaar card. The applicant must attach the photocopy of the Aadhaar card along with the application form and submit it at the office. There is no fee for this procedure. After receiving the application, the applicant will receive an SMS regarding the process completion. The entire process will be completed within a week. For applying through email, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office's official website. Under the Contact Us option on the website, the applicant must check for the official email address of the mutual fund office. Then they have to compose the email along with the mutual fund number and their Aadhaar number requesting the concerned officer to link the Aadhaar card with the respective mutual fund. The applicant has to attach the scanned virtual copy of their Aadhaar card along with the email and then click on send option. There is no fee for this procedure. After receiving the application, the process will be completed and the applicant will be intimidated via SMS. This entire process will be completed within a week. For applying through SMS, the applicant must type a message in the format of capital ADRLNK space applicant PAN space Aadhaar space Y. They have to send the SMS to +91 921 299 3399. The officer will check the process by the given Aadhaar number. Then the process completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. There is no fee for linking Aadhaar to the mutual funds. This process will be completed within a week. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.